An elderly woman takes a brisk walk every day, rain or shine. She always follows the same route, which happens to pass by the local pet store. One day, as she was passing the store, a parrot, which had been placed outside on display, called out to her. "Roark! Hey lady, come here!" Feeling charmed and slightly amused, she approached the parrot, asking, "What's this? Polly want a cracker?" The parrot cocked his head, looked her directly in the eye, and said, "Roark! You're ugly!" The lady is slightly shocked in spite of herself and walks off, shaking her head. She knows it's just a dumb animal repeating overheard phrases, but she can't help taking it personally. It bothers her all night. The next day, out on her walk as she's passing the pet store, the same parrot calls out again, "Roark! Hey lady, come here!" Despite her better judgment, she sidled closer and asks, "Yes, what is it?" The parrot cocked his head, looked her directly in the eye, and said, "Roark, you're ugly!" Well, animal or not, enough was enough. She marched into the store and demanded to see the manager. When he showed, he got quite the earful from the upset woman. He managed to calm her down and reassures her, "Ma'am, you have my personal guarantee that you will never hear those words from that parrot ever again." "Just so it doesn't happen again," she said, and stalked off home. The next day, though, as she was walking by, that same darned parrot called out, "Roark, hey lady, come here!" She stopped, glared at the offensive creature, then squared her shoulders and marched up to him, asking, "Do you have something to say to me, you filthy animal?" Just daring him to repeat his insulting statement with every line of her body. The parrot cocked his head, looked her directly in the eye, and said, "Roark! You know!"